Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Click and Fix. Today we're going to see how to install Microsoft Office 365 on your laptop for free from Microsoft. So we head over to this website. I'm going to leave the link for the website to download the tools in the description below. So we're going to need two tools. One is called the Office Customization tool and the other one is the Office Deployment tool. So on the Office Customization tool page, you're gonna go and select what kind of an installation you're gonna have. So you select 64-bit and I'm gonna go with Office LT Long-Term Service Edition Professional Plus 2024. So once you select that, I don't need VISO, I don't need project. I'm just gonna go select none for those, and after that I'm gonna go and select the latest one. So once I have those ready, you can pick and choose what products you want. I'm gonna remove the ones that I don't need, so I'm gonna leave the usual ones over there and remove the rest so that I don't waste space on my laptop. So then you get to choose what languages you want. I'm gonna go with English UK, that's my primary language, and I'm gonna choose a few more that I'm gonna be using, so I'm just gonna add them. You guys can leave this step out. So once that is done, you can install your own proofing tools, which would be the ones that you have already. So you can just select the language that you want over there and you will have those proofing tools installed when Office gets installed on your laptop. So let's do that. Next, and you can leave those options there. Click on next. And so when you install this, make sure that you have uninstalled all previous versions of Office, and now you can go ahead and click on next as well. Now I'm going to automatically accept the license terms, and I'm going to leave the KMS option on that one on, and click on next again, and you can leave those details empty. Once all those selections are done, you can scroll down to the page and click on finish over there. So what you're going to do is export the customization tool file, which is going to be an XML file. So keep current settings and click on OK and accept the terms over there, and you can name the file as it is as configuration and then export. I'm going to put it to the desktop for now, and I'll show you how to set that one up later. So once that is done, you're going to go ahead and download the Office Deployment tool and click on download. Go ahead and put that on the desktop as well. So once that's done, you can go ahead and close Chrome. So now the next thing that you're going to do is set up the folder for easy installation. So open up your My PC, go into C drive, and then right click and create a new folder. I'm going to name the folder as MS and open the folder. I'm going to drag and drop those two files that we moved to the desktop, downloaded to the desktop, into the folder, and right click and run as administrator. So you can just double click and accept the terms and run. And now you will have to choose the same folder that we created, the MS folder inside C drive, and click OK. Now you will see another file over there. You can delete that and you can just have the configuration and the setup over there. The other one you can just delete it. So now executing the commands. So I'm going to leave all the commands in the description below. Now you're going to have to type in PowerShell on your search bar of the Windows Explorer and run the command to get administrative access for PowerShell. Once that is done, you can close the black window and just keep the blue one open. Again, I'll have every command ready for you on the description itself, so you can just copy and paste them. Now you're going into the directory of the folder that you created, which is MS. So I'm gonna do cd space ms. You can just follow the commands if you don't want to get confused. So once you go into the directory, what you're gonna do is run the configuration along with the executable. So next command you will need, I'm just gonna type that in from here. Now, so the command for the second one, the configuration name should match the one over there, the configuration. So Configuration.xml, so that is what is going to be your configuration for your office that you made using the Office customization tool. So once you have that, you hit enter and that should start your Office installation. Now, yes, as you can see, the Office installation is starting there. Now all you have to do is give it some time and let it run, and it will install Office. Again guys, this video is for educational purpose only, and please make sure you don't misuse the video, but you should be able to run Office and you should have Office activated as well. And if you do face any errors or activation failure problems, just let me know, and there should be help on the comment section below, so make sure you go through them as well. Now I'm just gonna give it time so that the Office installation is running. I'm just gonna try to fast forward the process for you. So if you like the video so far, please do subscribe, hit like and share, so that I can make more videos for you guys with good quality content. See, as you can see, the installation is done. What we're gonna do is just close those things and go into start. Now go into start and you can open Word over there, or search for Word and open it. Now as you can see, you can go into account and you will see the Office installation is successfully installed and activated over there. So if you do like the video, hit thumbs up and subscribe as well. Do not forget guys. Thanks for watching.